Namaskar, I am Dr. Manaan Gandhi, MD in Ayurveda, and today I want to talk to you about immunity in Ayurveda. Immunity is a word that is so randomly thrown around, so loosely used, and people come and demand that their immunity be increased while they are sick. People need to understand that immunity is not a separate entity to health. It is merely a part of health that is preventing diseases from coming and affecting our body. Specifically, external diseases or attacks from different bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungi, etc. etc. How is immunity built in the body? How do we build more immunity in the body? And why is it so important that we focus on our overall health in order to boost the real immunity or the chances that we have to fight these pathogens? Immunity is always more of a spleen and liver based function. So if anyone has a liver or a spleen related problem, their immunity will automatically be affected. A lot of patients don't even recognize if their liver or spleen is affected. In fact, I have patients who come and show me their liver function tests as proof that their liver is fine. Liver function tests are very, very inaccurate in both ways. Either to show you that there's something wrong with the liver or to show you that nothing is wrong with the liver. I have had patients who've died of liver failure, and after their death the reports have come in wherein they shown the liver function test is normal. So LFTs is not the correct way to find out whether your liver is functioning well or not. A lot of times your liver and spleen is affected, which leads to immunity being compromised. Immunity is compromised in two different ways. The first way is where immunity is low, and when immunity is low, you're going to suffer from a lot of infections, a lot of diseases. You will probably keep falling sick, and you might fall sick in one particular region. For example, a patient of mine constantly had a throat problem. He would have a throat itch, or he would have constant throat infections. Some people have constant stomach infections. Some people have infections in their skin regularly. So it could be a particular area or it could be generalized. The other problem with immunity is you could have hypersensitivity reaction or allergic reactions, which is commonly tested with an IgE report on the blood. And that means that your immunity is affected, but it is not low, it is just vitiated. For example, a person is allergic to a very simple thing like dust. So whenever dust goes into the nose will send the signal saying that listen, there's dust here, but your immune system will consider the dust to be some very fatal, very big pathogen. So the body will overreact. Hence it's called as an allergic or hypersensitivity reaction towards that dust particle. Most people will take a cetirizine, an Allegra or any other antihistamine that will suppress this temporarily rather than work on correcting the immune problem. This, when left unchecked, as I said, becomes an autoimmune disease. It could be a Hashimoto's thyroiditis. It could be psoriasis. It could be rheumatoid arthritis. It could be so many of these diseases. It could be lupus. It could be SLE. What we need to understand is when we talk about immunity, when we talk about increasing the immunity, we're also increasing the immunity in a way where it is not vitiated. We are also correcting the liver and the spleen because they are responsible for our immune response in Ayurveda. They are also responsible for respiratory immunity because you might feel that they are not connected, but they definitely are. So we have a lot of patients who've come to me specifically for immunity, leaving the COVID immunity aside because we had so many patients coming from all walks in life, so many doctors, so many surgeons, so many policemen, so many people who are on the forefront who really needed Ayurveda's help and our help to increase their immunity because they were fighting on the front lines. But they were given specific measures for COVID related immunity or respiratory immunity alone. but we can tackle immunity in the entirety of the human body, and if there is a specific area which requires help, we can also deal with it, like we did with COVID. So if you are suffering from a disease that is recurrent, you're getting common colds again and again, you're getting skin rashes again and again, you're getting an allergic reaction, you're getting a hypersensitivity reaction, you have an autoimmune disease and you need help, Ayurveda is one of the best places you can find that help. So if you like such kind of contents, you can press the like button. You can comment if you have any specific question that you would like me to answer. You could share this with your friends. You could subscribe if you want more videos like this. And this is Dr. Manaan Gandhi signing off. Thank you.